Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And in this case, it's Polybag 30050, and this is the Star Wars Republic Attack Shuttle. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing and also turning on notifications, because I have one of these videos a day coming for the foreseeable future. So if you like this kind of thing, there's plenty more where this is coming from. Also, if you want to build along with me, I've included links in the description where you can find this particular polybag on both Amazon and Bricklink. There is also a link to Brickset if you want just information about the set itself. There is also in the description a Google spreadsheet link that has information about past and future polybag build-along videos, and I've included links where you can find the sets as well as the schedule for upcoming videos, if you want to get the sets in advance and build along with the video. Anyway. Alright, so I gotta tell you, I have generally enjoyed the micro versions of the ships. The problem for me with some of these, though, is it's like, this is from Clone Wars, right? And so I am not super up on my Clone Wars. I watched some of them, but it's just not quite burned into my brain the way like original Star Wars and that kind of stuff is. Alright. It's kind of a weird choice for that particular layout, but let's give it a shot. So that one and there. And so they go in, snap in there, and slide forward. It looks like it lines up. Line up with. Yeah, I'll at least line them up with each other. Yeah, that's pretty even, right? Alright. You know what's kind of interesting about this one? There's a lot of stuff that happened between steps, like in the different steps. Did I miss something from one of those steps? I did not. But right here is a good example. I mean, it's not 100% clear that you're supposed to put that front piece on, but I guess they figure you can do it. So there's those. And so the red cheese wedges are going to go on the front, and the white ones are going to go on the back. There's the red ones, and I need 1, 2 white ones for the back. Alright, that's the first one. And the second one. That's not too terrible. And so this actually answers the question of what's up with those 1x3s I saw, or I'm sorry, 2x3s I saw earlier. So that takes care of those. And now it's another 2x3 and a 2x2. Is that the only addition there? Oh, and the little levers. Alright, fair enough. I might be weird, but I've never liked these little levers. They've always seemed like weirdly flimsy as Legos go. But, I don't know. I have seen some interesting builds people have done using these as like various parts of it. But I don't know. I just don't. I don't really care much for the levers. Never really have though. I mean, it's not new. All right. So we got the levers taken care of. And we got that. And then 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, there's one hiding somewhere. That gets us, that takes care of that. And now we put a, alright, so this goes here. And then we have a that and this. By the way, was it super confusing for y'all just now with like these opposed each other? Because it was tripping me out too. Alright. Let's pop over here. Okay, so we got to build the front part. So for the front part, it's going to be this. And I'll grab the wrong piece. It's going to be this and this. Facing backwards. Like so. Let's line it up so it's all even. And then this goes here. Right there. And we have 1 by 1 on the front. Make sure this is straight. So it's, you know, we're not monsters. And then we have the like transparent black cheese wedge. And then what would this be, like reddish brown? And then we put these 2 wing pieces on the sides. Alright. So we got wing piece number 1 and wing piece number 2. That's actually kind of a neat looking cockpit. So this flips on right here. And we have it kind of face down a little bit. Like that. That is kind of cool looking, isn't it? I like the looks of that. Yeah. So lastly, we gotta make our wings. And so for our wings, what it's gonna be is this one and like here. This goes like so, and then this yellow square goes right there, and then this goes right here. And so we make that wing, and then we make this wing, like so. And then we have the yellow piece right here. Line it up so it's even, and flip that on right there, and then we attach the wings. So where do the wings attach? So they attach like right here, like that, and like that, and then they fold kind of down. Ha! Well, that's cool looking. I tell you what's funny. That kind of has the same a silhouette that's reminiscent of like a Klingon warbird, doesn't it? Did I miss putting on something? I did. How let me get away with that? I forgot to put on the back thruster stuff. Alright, we'll add that real quick. Gotta make sure we don't forget anything. But yeah, doesn't this kind of look like a warbird to y'all? It kind of makes me want to see if I can build a Klingon warbird. Or at least look around online and see if anyone's already done it. These are our extra pieces. So yeah. But like, doesn't the wing layout right there kind of, with the wings tilted down like that? Show you what I'm talking about. So, can y'all see it right there? Where you kind of have the warbird look. If you tilt them down a little bit, like about like that, at that angle. It's kind of neat though. I like it. I like this one. So, but it looks like it has it at about this angle. And that's still a little suggestive, but not quite as suggestive as the other stuff for the warbird, for the Klingon warbird. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. And if you've liked this video, or if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.